Here's the only complete line of convertibles in the world. The Ford Sunliner, America's most popular convertible, now with new Thunderbird elegance. The Ford Skyliner, world's only all-steel retractable hardtop. It's two exciting cars in one. And the four-passenger Thunderbird convertible, America's most admired, most wanted car. See the world's most beautifully proportioned convertibles at your Ford dealers.
It rides like a car.
It works like a truck.
It's the all-new Ford Ranchero 459.
It's like owning two Fords in one.
It has the handling ease of a car and room for over half a ton of payload, more than many standard pickups. Go Fordward for style in the 59 Ford Ranchero. These flowing, sweeping lines will make fashion news for 59, and these lines express a new direction in automotive styling. This is the 1959 Ford, the world's most beautifully proportioned car. There's new elegance in the bold design of the rear deck and tail lights, the new thin-line roof, the straight-through look of the big picture windows, the sweeping Fashion Star grille. See the 59 Fords at your Ford dealers. Here are America's most exciting twins, the 1959 four-passenger Thunderbird hardtop and the new 59 four-passenger Thunderbird convertible. In styling, performance, and luxury, the Thunderbird is in a class by itself. If you have a flair for action and elegance, see how it feels behind the wheel of a 59 Thunderbird at your Ford dealers. Now, a car that will give optimum performance on regular gasoline, that gives more power on less gas than any other six-cylinder car in America, that requires an oil change only every 4,000 miles. It's the 1959 Ford Mileage Maker 6. Get this new kind of driving economy in the world's most beautifully proportioned car, the 1959 Ford.
The most admired, most wanted car in America, the 59 four-passenger Thunderbird. And now, Ford brings Thunderbird elegance to the low-price field with the 1959 Ford. From the straight-through look of the big picture windows and the bold new taillights to the new thin-line roof and the commanding sweep of the Fashion Star grille, the 59 Ford is the world's most beautifully proportioned car.
Here is Ford's newest version of the wagons you've made America's all-time favorite. For 1959, this country sedan, like all 6 Ford wagons, is beautifully proportioned to your purse, your family, your flair for living. It's altogether new, altogether elegant. See the world's most beautifully proportioned station wagons at your Ford dealers now.